Okay, got a different guitar today. This is a Fender Japanese Telecaster with a Bigsby tremolo, and it's beautiful. Beautiful looking thing. I've had it a while. I got it cheap off somebody who didn't know what he was selling. But I haven't used it hardly at all because it's so beautiful. I don't want to spoil it. But I've kind of decided maybe it's time to play it some more. So here it is. And I've got all my pedals down here. From the tuner through the power booster to the compression and sustainer to the overdrive to the flanger and its various knobs to the little Big Muff a la Jack White, the white stripes, and the raconteurs, to the wah pedal, a la Jimi Hendrix. It is the Jimi Hendrix edition. I hope you can see all these things. I'm pointing it in the general direction. So yeah, and it's a Vox amp. A Vox AC15. Classic sounding, British sounding amp. So they say, well, because it is British. Now we've also got the Vox pedal, which gives us some tremolo on there as well. I'd forgotten about that. You can hear that tremolo off. On. And there's a reverb. So let's start. This is the totally untouched sound. Just going through all those pedals, so it might be a bit of a effect on the sound from that, but this is the clean sound. Different sounds just on the guitar. Flipping the pickup selector switch, you got two pickups. 1, 2. Oh, phone. Sorry about that. Right. So yeah, you got two different pickups. This is your neck pickup. You've got a lipstick style pickup, and this is your bridge pickup. And that one's a bit more powerful. On this particular guitar, I don't know what exactly kind of pickup that is, but it's quite punchy. So this selector's on the front pickup, neck pickup. Switch it to the back one, the bridge pickup. Twangy. These Telecasters are known for their twang. And then you can have it in the middle, and that's kind of both pickups. And we'll keep it there. Let's keep it in the middle. It's nice. And now we're going to try some pedals. So, first one I'm going to stick on is a power booster. So it goes from difference. I got the power booster turned up to full volume. Let's put it down a bit. Still got the reverb on there. Power booster, little nano linear power booster 1. Great little sound for a teeny and very simple little pedal. Turn that one off. Next one I'm going to show you the flanger. I really like this. Back to the clean sound. Put the flanger on. Just turn the knob down a bit on that. It's sounding a bit distorted. If we stick the power booster on with that, the two together, Telecaster get quite lively. Hopefully you can hear the full sound of this. Put some headphones on if you can't. Booster, flanger. Let's hit the Big Muff. And a Big Muff gives it extra distortion. It's like, well, you hear it. So that's little Big Muff, flanger, power booster. We can also throw in the overdrive. Now, it's starting to get a bit of feedback there. It's starting to get quite sensitive. Let's turn the volume down a touch on the guitar. You touch anything. There's stuff going on manipulation of what was before. So it's exactly the same thing coming from the guitar, it just gets pushed through those different pedals in different ways. The only one I haven't shown you is the wah-wah. Flick that on. So that on its own but usually a wah-wah sounds better with a bit of overdrive. I don't have to do that with my mouth to make it work. I do it with my foot. I'm just trying to show you when I'm doing it. So yeah, there you have it. Of all of them, my favourite, the Flanger. Gives it a kind of spacey sound. So you can use that on rocking stuff. I don't know what. Gentler stuff. I might, but I won't keep recording it. The tension spans are not what they were. So that's it for now. See you soon.